I want you to sit back in the circle and you can hold your books, okay? My next star is for Dakari and he's not here. My next star is for Santrice. Well, you're lucky because that's the one that's on the top, so that's the one you're going to get. Next I have Jasmine. You want to flip for Jasmine?
Wait, no one.
Okay, this one, okay? There's lots of books in there. Mauda. Omar, can you move back, please? There you go, Mauda. Omar. Okay, this one comes all together, okay, Omar? You get all of them. You get all of them.
Jasmine.
Okay, Imani.
Just keep it forward, okay?
This one has a Clifford in it. Abby Simone. You want to see what you do? It's okay, you can put them back together. Okay, everybody. Did everybody get their books? Thank you, Oakland Rotary. And do we like our new books? Yes. Do we love to read our books? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Okay.
What do you like to read? Do you like your books? Yeah?
Take a picture of me.
Do you like to read about animals? What animals?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroos. Oh, what do you like to read?
I like to read lions.
Lions? What's your name?
Jasmine.
Oh, you're Jasmine. That's right. Oh, well, good.
And you guys remember, if you guys want to trade books afterwards, feel free. Okay?
Denise, I'll give you this. Denise, give me Denise.
What'd you get? Ooh, Junie B. Jones?
Oh.
What? Dude, I like Little Bills. Those are great books. Yeah, everybody feel yeah. Whoa. Nandi, is that your book?
Yes.
Okay, but don't try to grab. Nandi, a trade? 2 people have to want a trade, not just you. You can't just grab a book and say trade.
If you like your book, say thank you, Oakland Rotary.
Thank you, Oakland Rotary.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Happy reading.